Good morning to everybody. Welcome to online classes. Hope all of you are well. Today I will explain from page number 24 of the story The Prince from Tibet, Unit 3. Before explaining today's lesson, I will refer some sentences as a continuation. The next morning, 100 mares with their baby foals were driven into the center of the city. The mares were tied up around the outside of the main square and the foals were herded into the center. Here is a test, said the emperor. The prince who can match each mare with its foal will have a great chance of getting my daughter's hand. Each prince tried, but the result was always the same: barking and neighing and beating, a terrible commotion. Then came the turn of Prince from Tibet. He asked for some good food to be given to each of the mares. Now from book, explanation is here. Immediately the mares began to eat. When they had finished, they each gave a soft neigh, and that was the sound for their foals to get some milk. Explanation 1. As per the request of the prince from Tibet, the good food were arranged for the mares. At once the mares started to eat. When they had finished their food, they delivered a soft bray, and that was the sound for their young horses to get some milk. Explanation 2. The good food had given to the mares. Instantly they ate the food. When they had finished their food, they each gave a soft whinny, which was the sound for their baby horse, so youngs could get some milk. Explanation 3. As per Prince from Tibet, some good food was given to the mares. The mares began to eat. When they had completed their good food, the mares conveyed soft whinny, by which their young horses understood the mares were ready to give some milk. Now from book, immediately each foal ran towards its mother, and within 5 minutes each mare had been reunited with her foal. Explanation 1. At once each young horses ran towards its mother, and within 5 minutes each mare had their foal. Explanation 2. All of a sudden, after getting the soft bray, the foals understood their mothers were ready to give them milk, so they rushed towards their mother, and within 5 minutes they were reunited with her baby horses. Explanation 3. Instantly after getting their soft weannie from their mother, the foals marched towards their mother, and within 5 minutes they were reunited along with their youngs. Now from book, the emperor thought quickly, very good. He said, here is another taste of a different sort. Explanation 1. The emperor thought rapidly. He told well and added that there was another taste, but it was different from that first one. Explanation 2. The emperor thought swiftly. He told well done and added that there was another trial, but it was different from the first one. Explanation 3. The emperor thought at once. He explained that the prince of Tibet done well, and again he declared that there was another assess, but it was not the same of the first one. It was different type of trial. Now from the book, look at the piece of jade. It is very beautiful and it has a hole running all the way through it. The emperor holded a hard, typical green semi-precious stone and shown to the 7 princes. He described that it had a hole running all the way through it. Explanation 2. The emperor of China holded a typical green precious stone and shown the 7 princes, and he described that it had a hole inside through all the way it. Explanation 3. After the first event over, the emperor of China holded a green semi-precious stone and shown to 7 princes and described that it had a hole all the way through it. Now from book, if you can put a thread all the way through this piece of jade, you will be considered to become my son-in-law. Explanation 1. The emperor of China explained to the 7 princes that if any one of them could put a thread all the way through that piece of semi-precious green stone, then he would be selected earnestly to become his son-in-law. Explanation 2. The emperor of China demonstrated to the 7 princes that if any one of them could put a thread all the way through that piece of semi-precious stone, then the winner would be allowed soberly as his son-in-law. Explanation 3. The emperor of China illustrated to the 7 princes that if any one of them could put a thread all the way through that green precious stone, then the winner would be regarded earnestly as his son-in-law. It is the end of first lecture.